Hi, I'm going to show you a very quick little trick on the piano using a C blues scale, which is C, E flat, F, G, B flat, C. So it's pentatonic, meaning there's 5 notes in it. C, E flat, F, G, B flat, and the octave, which we count as that one, so it's still 5 notes. We're going to put a passing note, which is F sharp. Now you can hear it just doesn't want to sit in there. It causes tension, and where there's tension we want release. So we can slide onto the G or slide onto the F. So a little trick is we hold this high C whilst we're sliding with our thumb to the F or to the G.